Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome you in your YouTube channel Magical Art Learning. Today I will solve the Rubik's Cube with magic. Let's see how. How many of you thinking is there another cube? I hope you really enjoyed this video and I know you are really excited to know about this magical trick. If you really want the tutorial of this video, let me know in comment section below. I will soon provide you on your demand a new tutorial video. Like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel Magical Art Learning and don't forget to click on bell icon so you will get notification first. Till then, bye bye.